Government College of Engineering Karats, and I'm working as an intern at MATLAB Helper as a brand representative, and it was very great experience for me. Everyone in the MATLAB Helper teams are become creative, innovative, inspiring, but not least, it's important they are helpful at an every moment. I'm constantly amazed the incredible skills I learned since when connecting to the MATLAB Helper team, and I'm really thankful to the MATLAB Helper team. As in a brand representative, I got a chance to provide a bridge connections between the users and experts, and I conduct one of the workshop on MATLAB in my college. Now let us review or let us look my some months I have experienced. I have done the promotions which is based on the webinar quiz, and the trainings and workshops are conducted in the office as well as in the colleges. Now I have learned a lot of management skills as well. In all of this, I have gotten a right platform to showcase my creativity and my innovations throughout my work. Then, after as a brand representative, I have completed some predefined target and the milestones, which is gives me benefits such as they got me a certificates of the MATLAB helper, they got me a flyers of the MATLAB helpers, and it was really helpful to me. Then I'm here the MATLAB is become really useful to all of the fields. As an I'm ANTC background, it will really helpful because it is necessary to learn MATLAB. So basic fundamentals of the MATLABs will be clear through that of the workshop. And I'm really suggesting everyone that they should also join us and work with the MATLAB helpers. I'm feeling so lucky that I'm the part of that MATLAB helper team. Thank you so much for this great journey, and it was a great thing that I will work in future with the company. Thank you so much.